Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get Meta AI on Messenger. So the very first thing you should do here is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this Messenger application because if you have updated your Messenger and if this feature is available in your country, then probably you will see this as Meta AI at the top or on the search bar of your Messenger. So if not, then what you're going to do is to update your Messenger first. Okay, so you can see I have tapped the update button. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Once your Messenger application is now updated, then you can go back and then launch your Messenger application. So once you have updated your Messenger application, you should see this button Ask Meta AI anything here. Tap this or tap this Meta AI. Then you can probably ask anything and generate any images with this feature. Now, if after updating your Messenger application still you can't see this feature, then the next thing you should do is to exit your Messenger and then go back to your Google Play Store or App Store and then go to the search icon. Now, this time you have to type Facebook and make sure that you have the updated version of your Facebook application. If not, then click update and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Once done, go back to your Messenger and see if the feature is there. If not, then the last thing to do is to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then here you have to search for Meta AI Messenger available countries. And then click the very first link. Then as you can see here, the feature is now available to use in the following countries. Now, if your country is not included here, then unfortunately, what you're going to do is to wait till this Meta AI will be available in your country. So no matter how you update your application, you cannot see this feature because it's not yet available in your country. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.